Hello, I'm DeathSeeker512, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create armor, as promised. However, there is one modification that I would like you to make so that you... No, no. Well, you can make this. You don't have to make this. But if you want your mod to be able to work on multiplayer, you will have to do this. So, you see how it has tut block get unlocalized name 2. We're going to have to change that in this and in the tut block class. Well, yeah, in the tutorial block class. So, surround that with parentheses and change this to unlocalized name and get rid of the 2. Dot substring and 5. Seems funny how we've done that before. But because the get unlocalized name method is not in the server, we kind of have to bend around that so that it will be able to work on the server. However, I am pleased to announce that it does spawn the ore or the block that we've made in the server with the switch statement. Unless if I changed it, going to make sure real quickly. No, yeah, it is a switch statement and it is actually spawning in the world. So, yeah, glad about that. So now in the tut block class, oh crap, I forgot to delete that one. We are change. I already went ahead and changed this, but you want to change this dot get unlocalized name to this dot unlocalized get unlocalized name, and then dot substrings 5 after that, of course. And that's the only modification I'd be making. Now, if you notice here, we have the client proxy and the common proxy up here, and I forgot to delete it from here, up here. And that's because we will actually be using it. Alright, so I'm just going to do Control Shift S to save all of that. And I will go ahead and delete this. Okay. And well, let's start making everything we're going to be needing. So, public, static, item still, and then tut, helm. And let's just copy it from here. And then Control C, V. Oh, wait. Actually, from, yeah, there again, but except to there. C, Control C, and then Control V. And to where there's 4 of them. Now, the stop one we are going to be calling. No, not helm, plate. The next one I will be calling legs. And the last one, boots. And now let's go through and create the IDs. So I'm just going to do what I did one time. I don't know if I did it in any tutorials that you guys seen. And I'll change item to int. Wow, that the mic's really close to my hands. Anyway, ID, 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 and ID. Alright, now let's go down to here and actually create those. So tut helm ID equals config dot get, and then I will do armor IDs, and then for the key I will do the torp helmet, and then the default value I will just increment it 1 from the one above, so 3506. Tuck it in. And I'll just copy this. Increment each of these by 1, 7, 8, and 9. And change it from helmet to plate, leggings, boots, and change it from helmet, well, this one anyway, to plate. And then legs and boots. Alright. Of course, you know how like my mods be like flexible, like we've done here, and some people have you actually make a new thingy for every thingy. I'm sorry, but a new, yeah, thingy for every thingy. Alright. I'm just goofing off now. I'm sorry. Well, let's create the enum for the armor. So public static enum armor material and tutorial armor. That looks funny. And then equals, and then we're going to use the same class as above, enum helper. Oh, and everybody say hi to my dog here, who will never leave me alone for some reason. Dot add armor material. So then the name of the armor material. Then the durability. It's kind of self-explanatory, even though I can't explain it. 25 is like 8 less than. Well, actually, let's go look at the enum for it. Guys, if you're not unsure of something, always check back with where you got stuff from. I believe it will be an item, and then unless if there's nope, there isn't. All right, so an enum armor material. We see that it says 33 for diamond. So oh, okay. So it's the like max damage factor. So holds the maximum. Yeah, see, they do so well at commenting everything. So I'll just go ahead and read this for you. It holds the maximum damage factor. Each piece multiply this by its own value of the material. This is the item damage. How much can it absorb before it breaks? Kind of like the. Anyway. And then the next one, which will be an array, will be the damage reduction amount array. So it holds the amount of damage reduction. Each 1 point is half a shield on the GUI of each piece of armor, helmet, plate, legs, and boots. And how this works is 0, or the first one will be helmet, the second one will be plate, the third one will be legs, and the last one will be boots. And of course, the last one is the enchantability factor, so the maximum is always like 20. What? It's 25 in this case? Well then. Oh well. So back into here, let's follow what that said. So this is the maximum damage. I will do 40. The reduction amount. So how many hearts? No, how many shields per each thing? What you have to do here, because it's an array, you have to do new, int, brackets, and then brace. I don't know, squarely brackets, whatever you want to call them. And so for the helmet, I will do 2. So that will put 1 heart. And I can't do a comma. Are you serious? And for the changeability, I'll do 25 there, instead, colon, comma here. I will add 6 here, and 4 here, and then 2 here. Whatever. So this will be 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 3 is 9. Wow, that's a lot. So 9, wait. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Oh, okay. So well, let's see what diamond is. Diamond is 3863. Well then. So if it is 3863, and so far I've always done better than what it is, I will do 4 10 8 and 3. No, I won't. I'll do 4. So it'll be better than diamond. And then the enchantability, of course, you know. Let's riboflavin. No. We already did that. Let's create the armor class. I'm going to name this Tut Armor. And finish. And it is going to extend item armor. And the new keyword of the day is implements armor texture provider. Wow, I didn't. No, don't do this. Cancel. Wow. Anyway, so once you get to armor, you can just hit Control Space and it should do the rest. And then Control Shift O to import item armor, add on implemented methods, and the constructor. And then we will be adding something to the constructor because I have found no other way to do this. String and armor file. And then string. This isn't C sharp. Capital S on the string. You know, because in C sharp it's just a lowercase s and it's a primitive. And armor file. Never forget the semicolons and don't misspell stuff or else they can have fatal consequences. So this dot armor file equals armor file. And I will get rid of this. And I will return /mods /tut/mod /textures/armor and then plus armor file. Actually, I will be throwing that in quotations. And if armor file equals null, then return null. Simple enough. Control Shift F to format everything. And close out that. Control S to save. Control Shift F to format. Didn't really change much. And yeah. So, as I've said, these two are up here, so we have got to do this. So in here, we are going to add public int add armor string armor return 0. And then in the client proxy, we are going to do, that was public, right? Yeah. Public int add armor string armor return render register dot render registry dot okay, it was render something. Rendering registry dot add new armor render prefix armor semicolon. Wait, was there prefix in it? Okay, yeah, it is with prefix. And Control Shift S to save everything. Control Shift F to format it. Control Shift F to format. Control Shift F to format. Shift S. Okay. So here comes the nice, fun, and dandy part. Adding it, creating the, well, everything else. So once I get to the end of this, tut, no, tut helm equals new tut armor tut helm ID, comma, tutorial, armor, comma, proxy, dot, add armor, and what we're going to have here is the enum that we had dot name. Comma, and because this is the helmet, 0, comma, and also because this is the helmet, tutorial, underscore 1, and actually, so that you don't have to do .png every time, let's open up the armor thingy again, the .armor class, and have it to where it adds the .png ending. Okay. And then save as a string the .png ending. So surrounded by quotations. Okay. And Control Shift S. And that should be it for there. And so let's do it for the other things. So helm turns into plate, plate turns into legs, and legs turns into boots, and same for here. And where we are going to be, oh wait, and then 1, 2, and 3, and the only one of this last string that needs to be changed is the legs, and that has to be 2. I don't know why, it just does. I'll probably figure out a better way to do this later. But as I want to get this out, hopefully today. It's probably not going to be today, but hopefully I can. So now we have to do the dot set unlocalized name on all of these. Oh my god. Helm dot set unlocalized name tut plate dot set unlocalized name tut legs dot set unlocalized name tut boots. And for readability's sake, let's add a blank line there. And let's add all these to the language registry part. So, add a blank line there. Language registry dot add name tut helm, and then tutorial helmet, and I guess copy and paste that and change it from helmet to and I mean, obviously you guys should know how to do this by now. And Control Shift F, Control Shift O, Control S, something. Yeah, okay. So let us go on to creating the armor, or at least the way it's gonna look. So, as always, I will be using GIMP for this. GIMP, G, graphics, GIMP, there. Huh. Also, before that gets up, what I will start doing, and it's probably not, I'm not gonna get finished with doing this first. What? Wait a minute. Go into .java projects again. Sorry. For as I minimize you, Forge, and of course into the MCP folder. And as I just found out, temp bin Minecraft, which I really wished I knew this before. Armor. Actually, what's in textures? Achievement item texture. No. Well, yeah. So yeah. Oh, it does textures and then items and then. No, it's not. Oh wow. Anyway, so here are all of. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So this is where you can go and grab all of your stuff. Oh wow. Guess we're gonna have to do that. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'm messing around. I really have to stop doing that. So let's go into armor. Let's copy. Where is it? Wither armor. What the? Right click. Open with FEH. Oh, I see. Okay. Diamond. So if you open it up, as you can see there, it's just the legs. And I know it's really tiny. Then FEH does not like to scale stuff. Oh wait, it does. If all right. And so I will copy these. copy. Well, wait, copy. And I'll go up and up and up and up and go to source in Minecraft and mods and tut and mod and textures and items and no, not items. Create a new folder and your textures folder, call it armor and create. Go into the armor folder and paste those. Now change the, I did capitalize letters. Whatever, we can do capitalized letters here. Rename all of these to, well, these two with whatever you had in there. So, tutorial, and there, and rename. I have issues finding stuff, and rename it from diamond to tutorial. And rename. Now that that's done, we'll go into GIMP if this is what you use. I always just create tutorials and free stuff, you know, because that's just the way I go. Open as layers and go into your projects folder again. Source, Minecraft, mods, tut, mod, textures, armor, and I will open up that. And I will zoom in. And I will proceed to, oh, also if you, yeah, just use that and move this over there and up. And, oh crap, it sucks. So I'll go over here, then, and just do that. So what I'm doing is I am selecting everything and I will deselect all the white. And see if I can just, yes. Crap, I hate these 1 pixels that, no, I didn't. There. And here. Of course, you can make your armor look any way you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing. But as you've noticed, I've been using diamond. And I'll just make this red. Yeah. So then this is the helmet right here. This is the chest plate. No, this is the helmet. Top, front, left, right, back. This is the chest plate. The front, left, right, back. And this is the boots. I don't know why they didn't just stick leggings up here, but whatever. And of course, I don't know why this selecting crap always takes a long time. Okay. No, forget that, because I just realized. So, right click on the layer, add alpha to selection, and that gets as far as where we were going. Then I'll turn it to remove, and I will go through and remove all the white, since I was going to do this anyways. That way, the next thing we do, I do anyway, doesn't affect this, well, the white, just to be sure. So yeah, I am going to remove white from what's selected, so that There has got to be a better way to do this. I did not see if I did anything there. No, I didn't. Do. And so this will get all of the cyan color like selected, and all the white will not be selected. I always love these 1 pixel subtracts. I mean, I doubt it would, but whoa. I feel you in my bones. Welcome to the new age. Anyway, sorry that this takes way too long. You could always, I'm probably gonna throw an annotation. Probably have thrown an annotation to skip this. If you so choose, you probably should have clicked that. Sorry if you actually watched this tedious work that should probably have never happened. But on there's 2 more. Okay, and last one. There. Now that I don't have any of the white selected, I will go to colors and alpha to color to alpha. And as I said in a previous tutorial, it was 33EBCB. That. Then hit OK, which gives us this color. And if we hit OK, it Control Z. Okay. Which one's okay? Never mind. Maybe in the other. Looks like the lightest color is this one. So now I will 3BF. Okay, copied that. And filters, colors to alpha. Wait, what is it? Oh. Control Z. Looks like. Wow. Okay, so pretty much just find the lightest color, which is what I did last time. And once I get this right, okay, which one's wrong? Oh, okay, so yeah, that's the color. Now, the color for this is 3CFFEE. Okay. Sorry about that. New layer, same size, throw it underneath, and let's go to red, and bucket fill tool, paste it here. That looks pinkish, so let's throw more red in, bucket fill tool, and that looks great. Alright, so now that we have the well then, and then select none, and there's the red armor with pink over here for some reason. Okay, now let us continue with the other armor. File, open, and let's do tutorial 2 and open that. Let's scroll in, let's do colors to alpha and hit OK. Okay, and white stayed the same. Fantastic. Control Z. Right click, alpha to selection. Colors. Hmm. Or no, it's being selected anyway. And nope, don't see anything. Okay. So I will use this project with the lasso. There, no, just there. There. No. I have not used the lasso in a while. No. Come on, one of you. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. And nearly done with deselecting the white. Okay, now that I'm done deselecting the white, I will now go to colors to alpha and hit OK. Oh crap. I'll add that 1 pixel, zoom out, and now color to alpha, and OK. New layer, OK. Put underneath, and bucket fill tool. I don't know why it's called that, but it is. Paste it, and we are done. Select none. And that's what the legs look like. This, of course, is the butt. And these are the legs. Side, forward or back, side, whatever. Yeah, what? Anyway. Okay, file, overwrite. And over this one, file, overwrite, file, close all, or cancel, file, quit, discard changes. And now, even though it doesn't look like they're updated, they have actually updated. It probably looked updated on yours. I'll be back in a second. Just clarifying, even if you're on Linux, you'd think that, oh, this will go to the root directory. Of course it doesn't. It goes to it does for the to the jar of Minecraft. So, and then it goes into the folder mods, which, if you notice here, that's the first package name. And then followed by tut mod and textures, which is where all the textures are at. Should probably right click on this and no, close. Textures are, hey, look, it already did. All right. And then textures, and then armor. Ooh, I forgot something. It's a slash. Make sure that slash is there. I'm glad I'm just looking through everything. And so then it will grab the armor file and add the .png extension. The armor file is from here, which is up here. We already declared it here. That way, it's a little, that one class is a little bit more, what word I'm looking for. You can use it for different instances as opposed to just one. Something I've learned as a programmer, even though I'm still just a teenager, is you want your code to be flexible, which is the word I was looking for. Be as flexible as possible, so that, say you want to change something or modify something, it's a little bit easier to do that. Or always be open to things you might do in the future. So like if you're making a game in whatever language and you're thinking you might want to make it into an applet, go ahead and start making it as an applet. That way, if you want to change it to an applet, it wouldn't be too hard. Okay, wait. I forgot one thing. We'd have to create the... Actually, let's go into tut armor. No, close to textures. Let's go to item, And actually, let's get rid of this add override and put side only ONLY. Okay, and then side DE dot client. And what this does is anything under this annotate, well, yeah, under this annotation is then going to be handled on the client side. And since we don't want the textures of anything be handled on the server side, well, might as well just do this. So also I will go into the block and do the same thing. Oh crap, which means we'd have to go through all of that. Client, Control Shift O. What? Side only, side client. I don't know why that's giving an error. Oh, semicolon. Ha. Did I do it here? This time I didn't. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Seeing as how we're going to have to do it in a lot of places. Oh, also, copy this entire. Yeah. And then Control Shift F. And that does that. Whatever. And Control S. Yeah. So, yeah, proceed to copy this everywhere. And that should make it to where the server doesn't have to worry about the textures. Or, not so much texture as much as... Yeah. You know. So, going through here. And... still going through here. And... still going through here. And... finally... still going through here. Alright, now once that's done, Control Shift F to save everything, close out of all the tools. Yeah. X item. Let's keep armor open for a second. And I will be back after I make all of the armor icons. Do note that the icons do go into the items here. Okay. And so now I'm done doing that. And I made one slight modification. I put it at side only here. I don't know if it'll do anything per se, but we'll find out. So I will launch Minecraft and come back if there is even one issue. Launch. I don't know if I've mentioned this or not, but change everything in all of your classes which will be the main tutorial class and the block class mostly, to change it from unlocalized, to get unlocalized name 2, and change it, that would stop popping up, and change it to .get unlocalized name, and then after that dot substring, and then 5. If I have already mentioned this, then please do comment idiot in the comments. It'll help me. I have no clue why I did that. Anyway, single player, I will just load my tutorial level and put on the armor that we have made. And in next tutorial, just so that everything's much easier to find, I will show you how to create a, so clicked it, I will show you how to create a custom thingamabob creative tab. I'll show you how to create a custom creative tab. That way you can put all of your mod items in one particular tab, so that way it's easier to find. And sorry for making you watch this load, but oh well. So I'm going to hit E, And it's just as we left it. Well, as I left it. And, oh crap. 0. Sorry. 1. No, I hit that. Okay, so now if we go down, that's blocks anyway. If we go down, but not too far down, and or too far up as you passed it, we're going to grab the tutorial helmet. Yeah, I couldn't think of what it was. It's chest plate and not plate. Um, yeah, I'll fix that eventually. So then, in the survival inventory, I will put this over my head. And notice how it changed it. Now just continue to put everything else on. Whenever you can, yep. And now if I hit F, not F3. What? They changed it? Oh, shift is. No, hit F3. Okay. Anyway, if I hit F5, we can see that it is the armor that we've made. Alright, so let's tell them. Shall we? Alright, so if this tutorial helped you at all, which I hope it did, then please give it a like. If it didn't, give it a dislike. If you want to see more by me, please do subscribe. Also, if you want me to know about your comments instantly, subscribe. And also, I'll be changing the name of it from plate to chest plate. For a few. Oh, wait. Let me spawn, like, get out of options. Let me put it on normal, and I know I've started going through the whole ending spiel, but who cares about that if you don't get to see what the mod can do in action as it is now, and I don't have a sword. So I'll just get it. Sword. SWRD. And grab our sword. Place it there. Get out here. Oh, and E. And let's grab a zombie spawner. Let's place a block, a door. Yeah, a door. Let's hit F5 so I can see. Let's place a door here. And I will break this door. I don't know why it does that. Okay. No, no. Almost falling into the end. Well, not end. Y'all know what I meant when I said that. Okay. Time set night. Game mode 1. I'm at game mode 0. And hi, zombie. Did he just despawn or did he fall? Let me grab like a stack of the zombie eggs. ZOMBIE. Shift, enter. I said shift. Alright, so oh my god, there's a lot of them. But have no fear. I'm probably gonna die. 4. Let's go. No. Why do I? I'm sorry about that. So I'll just sit there and let them kill me. That way you see how long it takes for that entire horde of zombies to kill you. And notice that they're like not. Well, this actually might take a while, guys. Um, so now I'm going to go through the ending spiel again. If this tutorial helped you at all, please give it a like. If it didn't, give it a dislike, because you know it's there for a reason. If you want to see more by me, subscribe. If you want me to know about your comments instantly, well then also subscribe. Uh, I will be posting the next video I post won't be a Forge tutorial per se. It will be about the live stream. And if you want to know my live stream channels, one's on Twitch, one's on Justin, and well, I guess I'm done here. Oh, and they're both in the about section on my channel. All right, so thank you and have a nice night or day or whatever time it is. I don't know why I always code these at night, but oh well. Bye.